Hey, welcome to Smart AI Workshops. Today, I'm going to share with you on how I'm utilizing ChatGPT on myself. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so we're broadcasting right now live on my cell phone, and let's go ahead and see that's what's on my phone. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to open up my ChatGPT. Now we don't want to open up that. Let's go to chat right here. Chat. All right. So chat is open and we're going to talk to it. All right. So let's go ahead and do that now. Hey, chat. Today I want you to share with me how to create a better content for YouTube videos. Give me five tools.
Sure. Here are 5 tools that can help you create better content for your YouTube videos. 1. TubeBuddy. This browser extension helps you with keyword research, SEO, and analytics to optimize your videos for search and reach a wider audience. 2. Canva. Use Canva to create eye-catching thumbnails, channel art, and other graphics for your YouTube channel. It offers easy-to-use templates and design tools. 3. Adobe Premiere Pro, a professional video editing software that provides powerful features to enhance your videos, add effects, and ensure high-quality production. 4. vidIQ. Similar to TubeBuddy, vidIQ offers keyword insights, competition tracking, and channel audits to improve your content strategy. 5. Epidemic Sound. Access a vast library of royalty-free music and sound effects to enhance the audio experience of your videos and keep viewers engaged. Do you have a specific type of content in mind for your YouTube channel?
No, but I appreciate you sharing. Bye for now.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Wow. That's absolutely powerful. You see, there's really no excuse for creating and producing great content. So just get out there in this month and decide that you're going to start to create and utilize the tools that we currently have at our disposal right in our hand. All right. Thanks a lot for watching. This has been Sean Taylor. I'll see you next time on Smart AI Workshops, where we work smarter and not harder. Bye for now.